Go ahead. Yeah, I know what you're saying. That should have said B. Yeah, that should have said B. Good point. Thank you. So that was, it's still the same thing. We got two angles that together don't add up to 180. Therefore, there is a chance that we have two triangles. Now, notice what would have happened if we would have had that same scenario on the previous example. Because honestly, you don't know what scenario you got until you do this. Right? This was the one where we got one triangle. Right? So we got to this point right here. The sine of B equals 0.3650. B equals 21.4. Right? So if I would have done that same, check it with the unit circle, 21.4 is here. So I should be able to go straight across to here and find an angle. That would be 180 minus 21.4, 158.6. Okay, now notice that angle, 158.6, and the A that you were given, 42. Together, they're more than 180. So you know we can't have two triangles. We can only have the one. The one that we got here is the only one that we've got. So you're always going to get to this point where you're trying to solve, and you're going to, whatever angle you get, you need to check to see whether the obtuse angle would actually be small enough that when you add it to A, it's still less than 180. If it is, then you've got the two triangle scenario. If you don't, then you've got this scenario. So you always check. Now we have to go back on the problem that we're doing and do it again, right? Because now we have to say B equals 115.2. So in our triangle, I'll redraw it like this. There's our A, B, and, sorry, B and C. So now this is our 115.2. This is the 20.5. This side is still 31. This side is still 12. Okay, we need to subtract 115.2, 180 minus 115.2 minus 20.5. Which is what? 44.3 degrees. Okay, sounds good. So that goes here. And we have these two sides. We've still got to solve for our side C. So let me so C, we're doing the same setup there. So C over the sine of C, 44.3, equals, I'll use again 12 over the sine of 20.5. So C equals 12 sine 44.3 divided by the sine of 20.5. And that one was a 23.4. Is that 34? Somebody verify that. That was our 34.2, right? So what is this one? 23 something? Casey? 23.9? Good enough? 23.9. So again, when you're solving the law of sines, right? Let me go like this. Let me stop this.